When you change the way you look at things, the things that you look at change. I welcome you to a healing, guided hypnosis to help you to strengthen your immune system and nurture and protect your body from any infection, cold, or flu. However, this healing session is not a substitute for medicine or any other form of medical help. This is to support and complement you in your innate, inbuilt healing mechanism along with any other medical treatment you are already taking. The session helps you to tap into your higher intelligence that knows how to heal you and work powerfully for your best interests. Allow yourself to be pleasantly surprised if you listen to the recording for 21 days consistently to find yourself physically healthier, more vibrant, and mentally and emotionally stronger in the coming weeks, months, and years. So, whenever you are ready, find yourself a comfortable place such as a couch or a bed where you may sit or lie down comfortably and wouldn't be disturbed. Know that while listening to the recording, if you fall asleep, my words still go deep into your subconscious and your healing still continues at a very deep level. Now, close your eyes and with your eyes closed, take a few deep breaths and focus your attention on your breathing. Now, with awareness as you breathe in, inhale cosmic, healing, soothing, loving, vital and positive energies and exhale any tension, fear or worries. Just release and let it all go far, far away. One more time, breathe in clean, clear, light and energy, and breathe out any anger, any guilt, any sadness, any jealousy, any hurt, or any other emotion that weighs you down. Believe and know that the power that has created you is also the power that surrounds you and is within you, and it supports and accelerates your healing process. Believe in the miracle of this power and use your intent and faith to heal you and boost your immune system. You are your own doctor and healer now, and you are going to heal your own respiratory system. As you breathe into the cosmic healing power, release any blockages, inflammation, or pressure in the sinuses, any congestion or virus or bacteria in the nasal passage, and feel them dissolving and melting all away. Take a few more deep breaths till you feel your nasal passage is cleaner and clearer now. Breathe in fresh, healing, vital oxygen into your nasal passage and feel the energy of oxygen penetrate into each and every cell, tissue, and muscle of your nasal passage. You feel energetic and peaceful and know that no place, person or thing has any power over you. You are safe and well protected. Now, scan your throat and become aware of any kind of irritation, virus, toxins, pain, soreness, or infection present here. Breathe in the vital healing energies into your throat and allow this powerful healing energy to just flush away all toxins, infection, soreness, pain, and virus, all of it away till it is fully released to disappear to where it belongs, never ever to come back to you again. You have a natural ability to heal and repair. Feel the healing magical wave to soothe and comfort your throat so that you can now sing with joy. Affirm that you love and appreciate your healthy throat. Your mind is a healing catalyst that you are using right now to heal your body. Now, focus your attention to your lungs and become aware of any congestion, blockages, or infection there. Breathe in vital, healing, cosmic energy to release and eliminate all congestion and infection and transport them to where they belong. Breathe in deeply a few times till you feel your lungs are clean and clear. Your body is returning to optimal health now. Your lungs are opening up to full capacity and are clear and full of vital oxygen, and you are easily breathing in and out. You take in and give out life fully and freely. You believe in the power that supplies your breath in such great abundance. You affirm that you love and appreciate your healthy lungs. As you breathe in the vital healing energies and also feel a surge of oxygen in your body, mentally scan your body now to release any discomfort, any annoyance or frustration, any aches or pain, any fever, any infection of foreign bodies, or any other disease or ailment to just subside and eliminate from your body just now. Transform any negative thoughts or emotions to positive mental energy. Feel gentle waves of healing inside and outside your body. Your mind is becoming very, very calm now, and your body is becoming super relaxed. Feel the loving, healing, and soothing energies in your body. Your breath is full of vital oxygen that travels to the bone marrow, energizing and generating a lot of healthy, fresh white blood cells. And your bone marrow is becoming more efficient at producing stem cells of the immune system. Feel the lymphatic system circulating efficiently throughout your body. Now, there are healthy cells that support the healthy balance in your body. Your healing process amplifies multiple times, and you believe in the divine wisdom of your body to create and maintain your optimal health. Your body taps into the energy resources to energize and heal you immensely. Your body is healthy and safe and well protected by the healing force that is created within you. Take a deep breath and feel a wave of healing, vibrant, loving cosmic energy flowing through the hair, scalp, to your forehead, eyes, nose, cheeks, mouth, chin, ears, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, wrists, palms, fingers and fingernails. Now the wave is flowing through your chest, rib cage, lungs, heart, blood, nerves, spine and back. The healing wave continues to flow through your stomach, liver, kidneys, spleen, pancreas, gallbladder, and small and large intestines, cleansing, clearing, and healing, and flowing further down to your abdomen, hips, and genitals, and coming down to your thighs, knees, calf muscles, ankles, heels, feet, and toes. Your body is now optimally balanced, and you choose to nourish your body with healthy food. Hydrate your body with pure water and do exercises that are joyful, and have enough rest and sleep. You are a divine, magnificent creation of life, and your body responds to your faith and trust in the process of life itself. Allow the healing energies to vibrate in each and every cell, muscle, tissue, organ, fiber, capillaries, bones, flesh and body systems in your body. Whenever you are ready, have a knowing that you are safe, energized, healthy, and well protected by a strong immune system. You can either choose to open your eyes or you can drift away to sleep knowing that you are safe and the healing process continues in your body.